Velagapudi Ramakrishna Siddhartha Engineering College, the pioneer among private self-financing institutions of technical education in the composite state of Andhra Pradesh, was established in 1977. Committed to scaling itself up and the region in terms of technical education, the college also holds the record of being the first private technical institution to offer M.Tech in the composite state of Andhra Pradesh. The college has been marching forward with an ambidextrous orientation, acquiring formidable successes in pedagogy and research, standing aloft among the institutions of its ilk during the last 4 decades of its flourishing existence. The vision and mission of the college stand ample testimony for the comprehensive quintessential characteristics of the institution.
Velagapudi Ramakrishna Siddhartha Engineering College, sponsored by Siddhartha Academy of General and Technical Education, has been nurturing vision and mission for the comprehensive development of the college in all spheres. Research orientation was incorporated into the vision statement way back a couple of decades itself. Deriving inspiration from vision and mission statements and on the decades-long success, the college developed a strategic plan focusing on excellence in teaching, learning, infrastructure and research and development. Specifically, the college developed a R&D policy for encouraging research culture in both faculty and students by way of giving financial support for the activities on major and minor research projects, seed grant for young faculty and student projects, incentives for paper publications and sponsored research grants, and expenditure for filing patents, and support for national and international travel for presenting research papers in conferences.
All the undergraduate programs are accredited 4 times, and eligible PG programs are also accredited by National Board of Accreditation, New Delhi. The college is an autonomous status conferred by UGC since 2006, accredited by NAAC with A grade, and is also an ISO 9001-2008 certified institution. The college has a rich tradition of research for over 2 decades, with the institution being one of the foremost private technical institutions in the entire southern region to obtain defense projects. Few of the pathfinding achievements include: the college is one of the very few colleges in the country to secure NBA accreditation for its undergraduate programs under Washington Accord in 2014. The college stood first in the composite state of Andhra Pradesh for its IDP and 6th in the entire country among private engineering colleges for TechWeb Phase 2 in 2010.
Based on the research background, the Government of India has sanctioned ₹6 crores under TechWeb project, a World Bank project, for enhancing demand-driven research, development and innovation. As a part of this project, our faculty and students have filed more than 20 patents over the last 2 years.
The college is the only private institution in the composite state of AP to obtain and successfully complete the prestigious TFAC core in telematics, worth 933 lakh rupees granted by DST in 2009. Undertaken by the Department of ECE with 14 renowned partnering industries like Texas Instruments India Private Limited, Bangalore, National Instrument Systems India Private Limited, Bangalore, etc. The college is the first private technical institution in the composite state to set up a high-voltage engineering laboratory in the year 2001 itself. Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Kakinada, recognized 5 departments, namely CE, CSE, ECE, EEE and ME as research centers. With the requisite progressive orientation and the intrinsic dynamism, the college has made a mark in the Industry Institute partnership. The Department of ECE has been undertaking 6 projects worth about 125 lakh rupees in the areas of antennas, remote sensing applications, code verification, etc. The Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering also has put active endeavors to develop a collaborative lab supported by National Instruments Private Limited, and the activities of the lab are underway. Siemens Center of Excellence. The college is one of the 2 private engineering colleges in the state, the rest being government or university colleges, to have been granted the Siemens Center of Excellence by the AP State Skill Development Corporation. Rising to the occasion, the college created a dedicated facility worth 550 lakh rupees. The whole center is operational and initiated training activity since 14th November 2016. More than 1,000 students of different institutions have been trained. Department of Computer Science and Engineering has been undertaking major research in the areas of video analytics, cyber security, bioinformatics, data mining and data analytics worth about 49 lakh rupees. Video Analytics Research Laboratory, which is first of its kind in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, was established with a grant of 18.23 lakh rupees sanctioned by Adrian ISRO. Oracle Technologies Laboratory was established in the Department of CSE with an expenditure of 6.4 lakh rupees, has commenced its activities on a grand note. The Department of Information Technology has put in active efforts in setting up IBM Industry Collaborative Laboratory, spending about 15 lakh rupees. Scores of faculty and students have been undergoing training in the areas of Blue MIX, Hadoop using IBM InfoSphere, Big Insight, Big Data Analytics and Content Management. The Department of IT has also undertaken the tasks related to Bhuvan Panchayat scheme of ISRO funded by National Remote Sensing Center, and another UGC funded project on security risk mitigation model. The 2 projects are worth about 26 lakh rupees. The Department of Mechanical Engineering is worthy of hosting the Center of Excellence in Composites, the only one of its kind across Andhra Pradesh, with its established research base producing 10 PhDs and 160 research papers published in internationally reputed journals for the last 5 years. One of the research papers published from this center in the Journal of Materials and Design had the highest citations in the world in 2015. Fructification of 8 research projects worth 98 lakh rupees funded by DST, DRDO, UGC, AICTE, complemented by the financial aid of 20 lakh rupees by the college management, culminated in the establishment of the Center of Excellence. The center has been extending its services even for the state universities possessing both manufacturing and testing facilities, which is the unique feature of this Center of Excellence. The equipment worth about 72 lakh rupees granted by DST, FIST, AICTE and UGC has been operational in the Center of Excellence, putting in relevant endeavors in this specialist domain. Computerized tensometer, impact testing machine for lightweight materials and such other relevantly functional equipment have been arranged in the center. Injection molding lab granted by AICTE has also been contributing towards sustained research in the fact that 2 PhDs have been completed and a large number of PhD and MTech projects have been underway utilizing the research facilities in the lab. The Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering has been undertaking active endeavors in power systems and energy harvesting. DRDO Anurag Lab project has been running with an amount 9.8 lakh rupees intended to study different kinds of energy harvesting techniques which are feasible to drive GPS module. Low-cost electrical vehicle for heavy luggage transportation has been developed with an approximate cost of 1 lakh rupees with the insightful efforts of students and faculty of the Department of EEE. The Department of Civil Engineering is offering consultancy services to various government, private and public sector undertakings like APPCB, NTPC, HPCL, BTPS, AAIL, Nippon Koil, CRDA, etc., generating an income of 600 lakh rupees in the last 3 years. Most of the critical issues of civil engineering have been referred to the college, with recent ones being Ground Improvement Certification for Krishna University, Machilipatnam, and proof checking of design for the first ever G+14 building in Vijayawada, equipped with software like Cedrus, Site, Midas, etc., and very sophisticated test facilities such as non-destructive testing equipment, 100T UTM digital, complete water analysis and air monitoring systems, wind tunnel, total station, 50 empty loading frame, etc. The department has been making forays into advanced research. In the relentless quest for further upgradation, the college has been putting efforts in the form of associating with Alabama. A sensors and signal processing laboratory is underway in collaboration with Western Alabama University, USA, in the Department of ECE.
Being an autonomous institution, the curriculum is continuously revised to meet the requirements of industry and society, and also to inculcate research culture in the minds of the students. In the recent revision, we have introduced a new core project where the students has to develop a prototype process or software on their own based on the needs of the industry and society, and also flexibility is given in the curriculum to carry out the project for full time either in industry or in research laboratories.
Center for Innovation and Incubation. In order to encourage innovative spirit and to incubate the techno-creative endeavors of students and faculty in a positive manner, these centers are being established in all the departments. In addition, the college has been utilizing the expertise of eminent academicians from Queensland University, Australia, Edith Cowan University, Australia, etc. for greater successes in techno-creativity.